Hello everyone, welcome to our math class. In this class, we are going to learn to calculate the square of any number by using base method. And by using this method, you can calculate the square of any number in less than 5 seconds. Okay, so let's start. Okay, to use a base method to find the square of any number, first thing is we should know the square of number from 1 to 25. Okay, we should know the square of number from 1 to 25. Then we can easily calculate the square of any number by using base method. Okay, so here we can see that all these numbers are closer to 100. That means we are going to take 100 as a base. Okay, so let's start. First, this number is 3 more than 100. So this is plus 3, 3 more than 100. So we will write first square of 3. Square of 3 is 9, but we are going to write this number in 2-digit form. So square of 3 is 9, we will write 0, 9. Okay. Now we are going to add these 3 to 103. So 103 plus 3 is 106. So this is the square of 103. Okay. Similarly, this number is 7 more than 100. So square of 7 is 49 and 107 plus 7 is 114. So this is the square of 107. Okay. Similarly, this number is 12 more than 100. So now the square of 12 is 144, but we'll write only 2 digit. Okay. So here 44 is here. We are left with 1. Okay. Now 112 plus 12 is 124. Now we are going to add 1 here. Okay. Now adding this we'll get 4, 4, 5, 2, 1. So this is the square of 112. Okay. Similarly, now this number is 21 more than 100. Now the square of 21 is 441. So we'll write only 2 digit. So 41 here. Now 121 plus 21 is 142. And now we are going to add this 4 here. Okay. So adding this we'll get 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. And this is the square of 121. Okay. Now this number is less than 100. It is 3 less than 100. So this is minus 3. So first square of minus 3 is 9. So we'll write 0, 9. Now 97 minus 3 is 94. So this is the square of 97. Okay. So similarly, this number is 8 less than 100. So minus 8. So 8 square is 64. And 92 minus 8 is 84. So this is the square of 92. Okay. Now let's see this number. This is 11 less than 100. So this is minus 11. So 11 square is 121. So we'll write only 21. So 21 here. 89 minus 11. 89 minus 11 is 8. 78. Okay. Now we are going to add 1 here. So adding this we'll get 1, 2, 9, 7. So this is the square of 89. Okay, let us solve few more questions. Okay, here this number, all these number are closer to 50. That means here we are going to take base as 50. Okay, and this 50 is half of 100. That means we are going to multiply this by half. That means our base is 25. Okay, so we'll use 25. Okay, the method is same. Here this 55 is 5 more than 50. So first we'll write the square of 5. 5 square is 25, and instead of 55 we'll write 25. Okay, so 25 plus 5 is 30. Okay, because in this case we are using 25 as a base. Okay, so similarly here this is 7 more than 50. So 7 square is 49, and 25 plus 7 is 32. So this is the square of 57. So similarly, this is 12 more than 50. Okay. So 12 square is 144. But we'll write only 44. Okay. So 44 here, and 25 plus 12 is 37 plus 1 is 38. Okay. So this is our square of 62. Similarly, now 48. 48 is 2 less than 50. So that means 2 square is 4. We'll write in 2-digit form. So this is 0, 4. And this is 2 less than 50. That means we are going to subtract 2 from 25. So 25 minus 2 is 23. So this is the square of 48. Similarly, this is 9 less than 50. So this minus 9. So 9 square is 81 and 25 minus 9 is 16. So this is the square of 41. Now this is 17 less than 50. So 17 square is 289. So 89, sorry, we'll write only 89. Okay. So 25 minus 17. 25 minus 17 is, okay, this is 8. 25 minus 17 is 8 plus 2 is 10. Okay, so this is the square of 33. Okay. Similarly, if we have a number like this, suppose I'll take 208. Okay, to find the square of 208, here we are going to take, this number is actually closer to 200. Okay, so this is 8 more than 200. So our process is same. First 8 square is 64. Now 208 plus 8 is 216. But here this number is closer to 200. Instead of 100, our base is 200, and 200 is 2 times 100. That means we are going to multiply this number by 2. Okay, so this is 2 6 are 12, 2 1 are 2, 3, 2 2 are 4. So this is the square of 208. Okay, similarly, if you have a number like this, suppose this is 300. Okay, I'll write 307 square. Okay, so that means first 7 square is 49. Now 307 plus 7 is 307 plus 7 is 314, and here our base is 300. Okay, instead of 100, our base is 300, which is 3 times 100. That means we are going to multiply this number by 3. Okay, so 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3, 4, 3 3s are 9. So this is the square of 307. Okay, so in this way we can calculate the square of any number by using base method within 5 seconds. Okay. Okay, this much for today. In our next video, we are going to learn another short calculation tricks. Okay, so till then, keep practicing and thank you very much.